Good morning, friends. Happy September 1st. We are finally getting after picking our potato buckets. These are regular potatoes. We've got like a golden and a red, and we're pretty excited. Wow, look at that.
Like a little baby.
Little babies. I love it. Look at that.
That's how they grow.
As you guys remember, it's been a rainy season in Minnesota. So we got these potatoes from our friend Tom. He has an awesome garden. We love Tom. We love all the advice we get from him, and we're just hoping this is our big potato year. Despite all the rain, we'll find out. We're gonna dump out these buckets and we're gonna sort them into these 5-gallon buckets here, and hopefully it's a good crop. We're only gonna do one big today because the other one's still kind of going. This one had complete die-off. Good start so far. Just keep scooping. Oh, look at that. All right, these are way bigger than last year for us. And oh, look at that. No way. Wow. Look at that. That is amazing. This might be the best year we've ever had for potatoes. Yes. Okay, looking good so far. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. These red potatoes look amazing. That will keep. We're going to do our best to cure these in the basement. You'll need to cure these for a while or they won't keep well, but it's pretty awesome. It's like a treasure hunt. They all look so good. And we're being really gentle with our harvest because in the past we've kind of cut in a little bit with shovels and stuff, and we've unfortunately accidentally kind of cut them, and then they don't cure as well, and we're kind of just trying to be a little more gentle this year. Yes.
Dry over there.
Nice.
Right up the oven.
Yes. Beautiful. I think we got a good spot here. Ooh, look at that. Look at those beauties. Oh, it's going so well. They're all, for the most part, pretty large this year. That is so exciting. I'd say on average about double the size, and you probably noticed, you know, it's pretty speckled. We added a lot of perlite, and what was the other product we added? There's peat moss in here. We just wanted to keep it, yeah, we added all of those things just to keep it really nice and loose to make it easier for root vegetables. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the buckets, and I think that we've sorted through all of it very gently and slowly, and we have it all, and this is what we ended up with. So it's about half of a 5-gallon bucket. We did not see any of the Yukon Gold harvest, and I'm not sure what that's all about, but we are thankful for this. And we just did one potato bag. We'll do the other one in maybe a couple days here, And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll be curing these in the basement. We'll just lightly get the dirt off. We'll cure them for a while, and then we'll keep them in a dark, cool space for winter storage. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.